This is a brand new 2014 Acura TL. This car has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, speed-sensitive volume controls, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are included: commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, steering wheel mounted controls, a premium sound system, front and rear floor mats, side impact airbags, memory settings for the seat's position so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Jenkins Acura is conveniently located at 2025 Southwest College Road in Ocala. Contact us to find out about our financing specials or visit us at jenkinsacura.com.